I am Master Karthik Gunjal from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Study. Today, the topic of my presentation is Uttarakhand, the land of God. The Uttarakhand lies in the state of India, located in the northwestern part of the country. It is bordered to the northwest by the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh, to the northeast by the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, to the southeast by Nepal, and to the south and southwest by the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Talking about the area of Uttarakhand in square kilometer, the total area is 53,483 square kilometer, out of which 86% is mountains and 65% is covered by the forest area. Talking about the current population of Uttarakhand, it is 11.09 million and the growth rate is increased by 9.6% from year 2011. Talking about the capital of Uttarakhand, the state is divided into two divisions. The summer capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and the winter capital is Kamulia. Talking about the identical symbol, the Uttarakhand state has a state animal which is much deer, the state bird which is Himalayan monal, the state flower is Brahma Kamal and the state tree is Brunas. The language spoken in the Uttarakhand, the Hindi language is the most spoken language in Uttarakhand. Total 46.3% of people speak Hindi language. 24.8% speaks Gravali language, 21.6% speak Kumaoni language, 4.5% of people speak Urdu language and only 2.8% people speak Punjabi language. Talking about the ethnic wear, the women wear ghagra along with choli and orni. The dress for bride are lehenga, ghagra and choli, and the lehenga or ghagra are designed with a silver and golden tatting. The man wear kurta and pajama and the topi and hat are given according to the age. The topi are given to the younger one and the pagdi are given to the older men. Talking about the folk dance, Pandav Nitya. This dance is to tribute the Pandav brothers of Mahabharata. From start to end, this is performed on a drumstick beats. The next folk dance is Chola dance. This is performed from 1000 years and it is performed during the local Rajput wedding by the people of Uttarakhand. The next topic is the 5 tourist destinations in Uttarakhand. So the first is Dehradun, second is Rishikesh, third is Haridwar, fourth is Kedarnath and the fifth tourist destination is Badrinath. Talking about the geographical indication tag, Basmati, Uttarakhand Tej Patta, red rice, Berlin tea, Almora Lokhari Mirchi. These are the geographical indication of Uttarakhand. Talking about the wet and dry masala, lofa is a popular preparation of radish. The sun-dried radish are then prepared into a stew and it is served with rice. Thawa, it is commonly used in dal and chili chutney. Kaucho, it is also used in dal and with fried vegetables. Taimur, it is a herb which is grown on thorny trees and it is used in chutney with chilies. 5 famous dishes are aloo ki gutek, kapu or kapa, funk, chaniso and chudikani. Thank you.